the last time la ekhaya kunomsebenzi ngesikhathi kwakwenziwe imbuzi for uZenande. Kwakushweleza kubantu abadala ukuthi wathukeka. Kwaba khona inhlamba over uZenande yokuthi akuyena wala kaMseleki. uZenande mumbuka, she has a flat head esiphundu. Akushuthi akanayo incegela. Ukuthola kwami ukuthi kunento ekanjalo ekushuthe enenkulumo zokuthi uZenande apparently kushuthi akazalwa uMusa. Sasisolwandle sikwebeach as a family. Umpumelelo afike uZenande kathwa inenyanga. Afike agona uZenande kube sengazi ukuthi uyamdlalisa. Abesethi wena uma wakho kusafuna achaze ukuthi le khanda leli elinje ulithathephi because le khanda alikho la ekhaya. Kodwa namhlanje umpumelelo utholile ingane noTirelo enekhanda elifana exactly noZenande. I thought ukuthi uzobuya azothi kumina hey ma ngiyaxolisa lento engayisho kuwena because le khanda la Zenande ingane yaTirelo inekhanda elifana exactly noZenande. Angikholwa ukuthi wambuza uTirelo ukuthi le khanda ulithathephi njoba ayebuza ngela Zenande. I think into eyayikhulunywa ayeyazi ukuthi iyashiwo nje okhona la egcekeni. Yo yaze yakhohlakala lempuphu yempubu vengu yempahlimpuhli yomsela wekade umpumeleli isiphunguphungu sesinyimfonyomfo lezi se shembe simakade. Lesithing sesithungthung sesithung mangatha lesi sesithithumomo lesi sesithishili. Guys, anyway, sanibonani njani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, your YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast, and we bring you zishisa noma zibanda noma zindikindiki. This is my channel, your channel. Please make sure you subscribe. Hayi nani lofuna uncenga njengompumelelo. Buka nama adverts line zokuthiwa ingane zenu zinamakhanda flat. Bosathana. But anyway, buka ama adverts ni subscribe, comment online. How guys? Waziwa ngiphoqa umpumelelo kodwa phela angasi ukuthi umpumelelo ungiphoqela ngasi manje khona amathemba amadengo abaye. Umpumelelo unobukhimnyana. And no offense uKim vele uyazi ukuthi autistic uyazigulela ekhanda yabo, so it's obvious, but umpumelelo unjani? Umpumelelo akekho right ekhanda, ingazaniseleki nje umuntu ophila ngekhanda lapha ya kahle impilo yaphila ngekhanda bese kubulwa ubuse kubulwa omunye lo isitabane esihle kodwa ofuna ukupheka osegoli. Hayi ulwandle cabanga ukuthi ulwandle lomunye abongiwe noma abongile uyaphila ke lo phila qinqo la qinqo abantu abaphila qinqo manje abaphila qinqo hayi ukuthi ufunisele uyaphila impilo qinqo uyaphila abongile qinqo qinqi nomnini uyaphila umnini qinqo phila qinqo ngekhanda. Ngibayeke laba abancane ngoba asikababoni kahle osineba yayigulela. Umpumelelo uyagula ekhanda, umpumelelo ayikho right. Umpumelelo ungqemphotho. Umpumelelo ungqemphotho. Ungqemngqem usomngqemngqem ukuthi babakho uyamzama ke manje and akumanje nani nokunithi niyamqoma ngoba nithanda izinto but nje umsangano lo msavov. Waziwa ngicela umpumelelo anginandawo noma ngwabe nawe uyangicasula but nje uyayibona le angle le guys, being esithenjini is not nice. Okay, now so yesterday's episode ibhlungu lento niyayizwa kodwa ibhlungu kanjani. So Mpumelelo accuses Mangwabe of birthing uZenande and not being from Wakamseleki. My Jesus Christ, what the heck? Kwayisho uthayile, what the heck? Hi guys, so now there will never be unity with Sithembu, because truly speaking uMpumelelo lento ayisho kodwa into ayizwe ekhaya kubo abengeka vele ayisukela uMpumelelo said this thing because uMpumelelo have had the parents probably the mother speaking with whoever, not necessarily umseleko or whatever the case it is, or maybe na umseleko kwakhuluma again. So yikho kusho ukuthi ingane zesithembu zizikhuluma into ezizwayo ebaza, not just ingane zesithembu, aba ingane zikhuluma into ezizwa ngabazali, because ube semncane phela. Ukuthi phela manje angimazi umpolo nomdala noma mncane. No guys, I'm just upset, and I'm out of words. Now, do you understand where Mangwabez kodwa phela naye vele ukuthi phela mhlambe nayo kwakushonga phela wavele wefike nenye ingane vele kodwa phela, and then 2 akafuna ukulala nomseleko, and then 3 akafuna ukuvula lapha vele avale, akafuna ukumkhisa uhlaleleni vele singaze kuthiwa ngile ngane lezi. Kodwa phela uBangwabe at some stage loved umseleko. She did. I remember ngathi mpumelelo ngimaswabi yo. So anyway, so ke sesiyaza nokuthi kuyokwenza umsebenzi ukusholezelwa uZenandi liyangani iqinisile lento zane ukuthi ifana noma wayo kakhulu, but uyayibona ukuthi yakhona kaMseleko, and yes inganika Tirel unekhandela le flat kodwa nawo umpumelelo bese ikhandela flat before ngibona uZenandi because angijwayele ukumbuka kahle, ngivele ngacabanga nje ukuthi ikhandela losibari laseNigeria kasi kodwa Mangwabe kodwa shembe labo bafika eNigeria ligule lapha walithi swampe bathi swampe. But yeah, so Mpumelelo has been getting a lot of blame on social media, abantu claiming saying he's such an evil person, how could he say this, what the heck why did he not apologize or whatever. But we need to understand where Mpumelelo is coming from. What he said is not something that he just said, it's something that he had from forever, from the family or from his mother and all of that. So that's why So guys, I'm coming back with more stories regarding Uthando Nesithembu.